Hello everyone, after a long time I am back with a new crochet idea. In this video I will show you how to make these woolen hand gloves by using 1.10 mm crochet. First I will make all the fingers. First I will start with the thumb, make a magic ring, then make 3 chains, and after make 9 double crochet. There will be total 10 double crochet including the 3 chains on the first round. It will be a long video, so I will give the whole process in parted. There will be 3 parts of this video. This is the first part. In this part I will show you how to make the thumb and also explain how to make the other fingers, but here I only show how to make the thumb. Now I have a disturbed voice for sickness. Friends, please stand by me and support me. After making 9 double crochet, pull the yarn tail and then make a slip stitch, then make 2 chains, then make 9 half double crochet, and including the chain 2 there will be 10 half double crochet in this round, the second round. After completing the half double crochet, then make a slip stitch, then I will show you how the thumb is look like. At first row there will be 10 double crochet, and the second row there will be 10 half double crochet. On the third row I will make again double crochets. Fourth row also be double crochet, fifth row double crochet, and sixth row also have double crochet. And on the third row start with the 3 chains, then make into the same space where I make 3 chains double crochet. And in this row, including the 3 chains, there will be 11 double crochet. Here I will increase 1 double crochet. On fourth row start with 3 chains, then make 1 double crochet into the same space where make the chain 3. Here I also increase 1 chain more, and there will be 12 chains. This is the 5th round. I will start with chain 3, and here I don't increase any chain. There will be 12 half double crochet including the 3 chains. Start the sixth round, make 3 chains and make 12 half double crochet here. Here I will increase 1 double crochet, and including the chain 3 there will be 13 double crochet. Make a slip stitch to complete the row. Cut the thread. The thumb is ready. There will be 6 rows on the thumb. Then in the index finger there will be 7 rows. On the middle finger there will be 8 rows, and on the ring finger there will be 7 rows, and in the little finger there will be 6 rows. Index finger, I'll start with the chain 3 and make 8 double crochet. Index finger, middle finger and also the ring finger will start with chain 3 and 8 double crochet, and there will be total 9 double crochet in these 3 fingers, and these all 3 fingers second row will be 9 half double crochet, and the third row will be double crochet, fourth row also double crochet, sixth row also double crochet, and seventh row also double crochet, and increase 1 double crochet on 6th row and 7th row. 6th row will be 10 double crochet and 7th row will be 11 double crochet. Little finger start and finished with 8 double crochet.